This video will provide an overview of Napoleon's Rogue 365 electric grill and its settings. Napoleon's Rogue EQ hosts many features common on Napoleon's classic gas grills. Control knobs, folding side shelves with integrated tool hooks, and cast iron iconic wave cooking grids are amongst a few of the common components you'll find with a gas grill. The differences you'll see are the integrated probes, 6-foot-long 240-volt plug, electric burner, electrical box inside the cabinet, 2 USB ports underneath the control panel for charging devices, and of course the 7-inch display screen. The grill comes packed with safety features to give you peace of mind and save energy. The auto shut-off timer prevents the grill from excessive operation depending on the cook mode in setting. For instance, if both knobs are set to 10 in cook mode, the grill will automatically shut off after 2 hours if there has been no interaction in the Napoleon Home App, the grill's knobs, or touchscreen. Built-in alarm systems and timers allow easy monitoring of food as it cooks, and temperature limits prevent overcooking of food, while the internal breaker protects it against electrical surges. Ensure you read the manual in its entirety before operating the REQ365 to have a full understanding of safe operating procedures. When using the REQ365 grill, ensure it is located in a well-ventilated, level, and uncovered outdoor area. Operation indoors in a garage or similar enclosed area is prohibited. Maintain a clearance to combustibles of 26 inches from the rear of the grill and 10 inches for the side shelves. When located near vinyl siding or a glass window, ensure all clearances have an additional 24 inches to reduce the chances of damage. As the grill is powered by electricity, it should not be used in the rain or within 10 feet of a pool, pond, or body of water. Have a licensed certified electrician wire a 220 to 240 volt 50 amp plug with an outdoor rated supply and a ground fault interrupter to bring power to the appliance in conjunction with all local codes and regulations. Refer to the product manual for more details regarding electrical connections to the REQ365. Once the location has been selected and the plug has been correctly wired, plug the power cord into the outlet, then press the on-off switch on the control panel to power on the grill. From here, the home page will appear on the 7-inch display screen. Select settings to toggle the language, temperature units, and sounds to adjust the appliance to suit your needs. Selecting the letter I in the top right-hand corner will open up information for the grill, including version numbers for the LCD user interface, main control board, and internet module. The digital serial number, shown as DSN, is also displayed along the bottom of this page. These numbers may be required if calling Napoleon customer support. You can expand your cooking versatility with the REQ365 using the Napoleon Home App. Use your preferred connected device and download the Napoleon Home App from the App Store or Play Store. A QR code link is provided in the product manual to easily access the app. Once downloaded, complete the registration process to finalize your account. After downloading the Napoleon Home App and setting up your account, pair your grill to the app via Wi-Fi. Begin by opening the Napoleon Home App and selecting the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner to add a device. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled and the device is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and press Begin. Next, press and hold the on-off button located on the appliance's control panel for 10 seconds. This initiates pairing mode, identified by the on-off switch fading in and out. Once the appliance is found, follow the prompts on screen to pair the connected device to the REQ365. The grill is now paired and ready for use. See the links in the description for more videos on the REQ365. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.